Hi everyone, I am Ram Kumar. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd of December in India. It's the birth anniversary of the great Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd of December 1887 in Erode of Tamil Nadu. He had his primary education at Kangayan Primary School. Just before turning 10, he passed his primary examination. He graduated from Town Higher Secondary School in the year 1904. He had a passion for mathematics from his childhood. At the age of 12, he had mastered trigonometry and developed many theorems in mathematics. He was awarded a scholarship to study at Government Arts College at Kumbakonam, but he could not secure it because of his poor performance in other subjects. He ran away from his home and enrolled himself at Pachayappa's College in Madras. There too, he excelled in mathematics, but not in other subjects. So, he was unable to finish the degree. In 1912, a mathematician called Ramaswamy Iyer noticed him and he helped him get a job as a clerk in Madras Port Trust. His breakthrough finally came in 1913 when Ramanujam wrote to G.H. Hardy, a British mathematician. He realized Ramanujam's genius and invited him to London. In 1914, Ramanujam went to London and G.H. Hardy then got Ramanujam into Trinity College, Cambridge. There started his success story. In the year 1916, Ramanujan was awarded the Bachelor of Science degree. In 1917, he was elected to the London Mathematical Society. In the year 1918, Ramanujam became a Fellow of the Royal Society for his research on elliptic functions and theory of numbers. He was the youngest person to achieve this feat. In 1918, he became the first Indian to be elected a Fellow of the Trinity College, Cambridge. The London weather and poor eating habits slowly affected the health of Ramanujam. He returned to India in the year 1919. He breathed his last on 26th of April 1920 at an age of 32. Srinivasa Ramanujan had made extraordinary contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. In the year 2012, the Government of India decided to celebrate his birthday as National Mathematics Day on 22nd of December every year. This was announced by the then Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, during the inaugural ceremony to mark the 125th birth anniversary of Ramanujan at Madras University on 26th of February 2012. He also declared that the year 2012 would be celebrated as National Mathematics Year. In 2017, a park called Ramanujan Maths Park was opened in Kuppam in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. National Mathematics Day is celebrated to spread awareness about the importance of mathematics and the contributions made by Srinivasa Ramanujan. Wish you a happy Mathematics Day. Thank you.